Well, guten Mayat, alle aber. Good morning to you all. I am taking Alan Byler's place because, well, he called me the other day and he said he was concerned. He said there was a Russian guy down there teaching school in the other classroom. He said there's a Russian guy down there teaching. And he wanted to know, he said he was looking for an Amish bishop to come in and teach because he thought maybe that if an Amish bishop would come in to teach, that would help influence the other kids that are getting taught by that Russian guy, that Russian teacher down there by the other classroom. Yeah, we have to watch him. He's going to teach you things about Russian communism, and we can't have that. And I try to speak English clearly. It's a little hard because I'm used to speaking Dutch, and I don't think that Caitlin can speak Dutch. Can you, Caitlin? Kannst du nicht Deutsch? Du kannst Plattdeutsch, but so much can sense to me. Plattdeutsch makes no sense to me. It's a strange language. I can't understand it. So I will try to speak English the best that I can. Sometimes I go back and speak Dutch because it's what I think like. It's what I think in, okay? But in your quiz, you're going to have a math quiz today. And in that math quiz, I want you to study hard. I want you to get a good grade. So Alan Byler told me to tell you that you better study some things. Things like, do you know how to solve things like changing from meters to yards and things like yards to meter? Make sure you know how to do that correctly. And make sure you know how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. Oh my, I need to know your formulas. And you need to write out all your formulas on your quiz and each answer separately, because you need to know how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism, okay? Now, I will tell Alan that I am teaching you and telling you what to do because, like he said, he wants an Amish bishop to come in to teach you, and that's what I'm trying to do. And so, hope you learn something and get something, but make sure you know that. Also, make sure you know how to change like percent increases and percent decreases. Make sure you know how to find it from a change when it changes from a smaller number to a larger number. And then you have to find the percent of increase or the percent of decrease. Make sure you know that, okay? Because it's important that you know that. And also then you need to know how to find the mean and the median and the mode and the range when you have a list of numbers, okay? Those are some things you need to know. Also, you probably will need to know, I'm just trying to look here. It doesn't look too hard. Those are some of the main things that you need to know. Oh, make sure you know how to do things like when you multiply a list of numbers. Can you see that okay? Can you see that okay? So make sure you know a list of numbers, like for example, when you have, when you multiply variables with exponents. Make sure you know how to do things like that, because that is, this technology really amazes me. When I was an Amish boy going to school, I cannot imagine having something like this. This is amazing. But anyway, yeah. Is that backwards? Oh my goodness, he must have a Studebaker. Okay, so those are some things that you need to study. I hope you have a good day and you learn something from this Amish bishop. And I will tell Alan Byler that I will do my best to make sure there's no Russian influence on this school, because that would not be good. Okay, you have a good day.